Hi everyone, my name is Carmen Mertz. I'm a teacher and I work for the Faculty of Engineering and Applied Science at Queen's University. Thank you for joining me for the Building a Recycled Bird Feeder workshop. Have you ever heard of an engineer before? An engineer is someone that designs and builds things to help solve problems. Today, you are going to be an environmental engineer. An environmental engineer is someone that works to keep plants, animals, and humans healthy and working together. Your job today will be to build a bird feeder to help provide food for birds over the long, cold winter months. In order to do this, you will need to find recycled materials around your classroom or your home. This might include old milk cartons, cereal boxes, shoestrings, or whatever else you can find. Now, the first step that all engineers take before they build something is to make a plan. Pause the video here and draw out exactly what you want your bird feeder to look like. Remember to put labels in for all the different parts of your bird feeder and even the materials you might use in order to build it. Think about how you can build a strong and stable bird feeder that is going to provide that food for the birds. Once you are ready, you can push play and we will move on to the building stage. All right, now that you have your plan, it's time to build our bird feeder. There are a few important things that we want to make sure our bird feeders have. We want to make sure that there is a place for our birds to sit or to stand. We want to make sure we have a way to hang our bird feeders in a safe place. We want to make sure that there's a shelter on our bird feeder so that the food doesn't get wet from the rain and the snow. And we also want to make sure that we are including healthy food for our birds, like sunflower seeds, peanuts, or cracked corn. Pause the video here while you build your bird feeder. And remember to ask for help from a parent, friend, or teacher if you need it. And there you go. You are an engineer who has built a bird feeder. Now, before we take our bird feeders outside, we want to make sure we test them. So in order to test them, I want you to ask yourself a few questions. Do you think your bird feeder is strong? Is it going to fall when the birds land on it? Is the food going to be able to stay in the feeder, or is it just going to fall to the ground? And think about any other questions you think it's important to ask yourself before you put your bird feeder outside for the birds. If you do notice any changes you want to make or anything that needs to be fixed, go ahead and do that so that you can make the very best bird feeder possible. And there you go, we are all done. Thank you so much for participating. Please check out our website at queensconnections.ca.